Hello guys. So what we are going to do now? So we know how to create a table using Python. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to insert records into that person table. Okay. I don't want these things. I'm going to comment it for now. Okay. So the connection is remains the same and the cursor is going to remains the same. Okay. So the only thing we need to modify the query. So SQL underscore insert underscore record. So here we need to provide the data. So what I'm going to do is the query is insert into person values first name and last name. Arun Amasai. Okay, so I think we don't need a column. Okay, let's see. So as I said earlier, use the cursor and to execute the query, and our query is SQL insert record. Okay, the query got executed, then we need to close the connection properly. Okay, so once it is done, just print a statement person added successfully. Okay, okay, let's go back to our database and refresh the table to see is there any records. There is nothing here. Okay, so let me run this. Run Python file. Okay, so what is the error? SQL insert record column count does not match the value in row 1. Okay, so we need to provide the keys here. Column names, first name, comma, last name. Save it. Now run it. Let me clear the console. Run. See, pretty cool. Person added successfully, but we need to make sure the data is inserted. Just click browse again. Okay, the data is not loaded here. What is up and go to person table? Okay, it says execute SQL insert record insert into person first name last name Arun and MSI. So what happened here? So everything looks good. Okay, I'm doing a insert into the table. Okay, before closing the connection, just commit the transaction because the transaction is in buffer now. So once you put the commit, it will be stored. But why there is no commit here? Because I'm doing a DDL. For DDL process, you don't need the commit like normal normal relational database languages. If you're creating a table, you don't have to put commit to save the structure. But when you insert the record into the table, that comes under DML, data manipulation language. You need to put a commit over there. Okay, let's commit it and let me run it again. Okay, done. Just go back and browse it again. Tada! See, Arun and the other my last name. Okay, let's try to create another record. I'll try to create a multiple records. Let me have a 1 and 2. I'm trying to insert two persons here. So here Paul Carlson and here Randy Watan. Okay, so here I'm not only executing this one, I'm going to execute both the SQL statements. Okay, now let's run this and we'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, it is done. Go back and browse it again. Ta-da! Simple. My first record and these two were the recent ones. Okay, just give it a try and let me know if you guys stuck somewhere. Let's see in the next video we'll doing some update and delete operations. Thank you.